Crews have been clearing the way for the arrival of the USNS Comfort, which is scheduled to come into port at Pier 90 on the west side around 11 a.m. on Monday.
That is about 1,000 bed capacity. It's staffed by federal officials, federal medical professionals.
The USNS Comfort is expected to relieve some of the pressure from city hospitals being overwhelmed with coronavirus patients.
It is not for COVID patients, but it is to take the backfill from hospitals.
President Trump was in Norfolk, Virginia Saturday to send off the ship as it departed on its way to New York.
We are marshaling the full power of the American nation, economic, scientific, medical, and military, to vanquish the virus, and we will do that.
This as testing is now ramping up. 172,000 people have been tested statewide. In all, 4 COVID-19 testing sites are now open in the city and on Long Island, including this one at Lehman College in the Bronx. The other 3 are located at Jones Beach and SUNY Stony Brook on Long Island and South Beach on Staten Island. The makeshift hospital at the Javits Center is also expected to open this week. The emergency hospital is one of 4 that will be set up in the New York City area. Meanwhile, the number of dead continues to climb. The first uniformed member of the NYPD, Detective Cedric Dixon, and Nurse Caius Kelly, who worked at Mount Sinai Hospital on the west side, where medical staff resorted to wearing trash bags due to lack of personal protective equipment.
I don't even have the words to express my admiration for them. FDR always had words. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the assessment that something else is more important than fear.
And you can see right there everything getting ready for the USNS Comfort right here at Pier 90 on the west side. Meanwhile, we did get some encouraging news out of that press conference. We now know that there are over 76,000 healthcare workers that are willing to volunteer here in New York State during this pandemic.